Hi, my name is Matt Shoup. I am a disability attorney at Balin Law, and today I am here to speak with you about federal court litigation, which is what I spend most of my time doing at Balin Law. In a nutshell, when your case has been appealed as far as it can be within the Social Security Administration, and the last level of review is the Social Security Appeals Council, at that time, you gain the right to sue the government in federal court. It may not have felt like it in the lead up to this, but technically we've been working with Social Security and not against them. Well, at this time, the proceedings become adversarial and we could start working against them. I enjoy doing the federal court work because I find it is the most thorough review of your file. And there is also an attorney on the other side, specifically the U.S. Attorney's Office, who is arguing against us. So while I am laying out the facts of your case and the mistakes of law that the disability judge who denied you had made, Social Security's attorneys at the U.S. Attorney's Office are on the other side laying out their version of the facts of your case and explaining why the mistakes the disability judge made were not harmful to you and why the decision should stand. We've had great success in winning our client's case at the federal court level. From the time the complaint is filed to the time that we get a decision as to whether or not we've won, typically takes between 8 to 10 months. It is important to note that the federal court litigation is different than appearing before a Social Security judge because there's no in-person hearing. It is, for the most part, arguments between plaintiff's counsel, me, and defense counsel, Social Security's attorneys, going back and forth describing to the federal judge who's assigned to the case what went wrong or what went right, depending on your viewpoint. It's also important to note that a win in federal court does not mean that Social Security automatically grants you benefits. What it means is when you win, the decision denying your case disappears. It's vacated. The case goes back for a new hearing, this time with the law applied properly. And when a case is remanded by a district court, in general, we have a higher likelihood of winning at that remand proceeding. So we at Balin Law, we're one of the few firms in Ohio that takes cases to federal court. I even look at cases that our office did not handle at earlier levels of review. So if you had a different attorney who withdrew after a denial by the judge or the appeals counsel, feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email. I'll be happy to take a look and see if there's any basis to go to federal court. If you believe in your case, don't give up. Persistence pays, okay? Thank you so much for your time.